you wake up every morning feeling lethargic, sluggish, overwhelmed, or apathetic about work and the day ahead of you, is there an obstacle that causes you to start overthinking right when you're waking up, thinking, what am I going to do with my day? And many people wake up feeling completely drained, and although they want to be focused and successful during their day, they don't have the mental energy to accomplish their goals. I don't know about you, but that was me some months ago until I did Tony Robbins Unleash the Power Within. And his priming method shifted my perception and on how I started to run my day. Luis Tasnisa here from Frontline Wealth Solutions, and I will like to share with you a summary of Mr. Robbins' priming method. Life can be challenging, my friends, and when we're tired and down, and it can even be harder and sometimes difficult to remember what achievement, what success, and what fulfillment looks like. But as Tony says, problems call us to a higher level. You can turn your life around by just facing your problems head on with the mindset of a champion. Isn't that wonderful? The positive effects of priming in psychology have been proven again and again throughout the ages, and you can learn to change your state of mind with a simple, effective priming routine. As Tony says, always raise your standards. Raise your standards, and you will change your life. You can learn to use repetition priming to create positive associations and to use the law of attraction to get what you want in life. So, here are the 7 steps to the priming method which I learned from Mr. Robbins. First is for you to sit and find a chair in a relatively quiet area where you can place both of your feet on the floor and shift your shoulders, chest, and hold your neck long and high and your head up. And secondly, he says you should breathe. And by changing your breath, you change your state of being. And Tony's method incorporates a breathing exercise with 3 sets of 30 seconds with a pause, and between each pause and breath, 1 minute intervals. The third thing you do is to begin heart breathing, where you put your hands on your heart first, and you feel the power, the strength of your breath going in, taking 30 seconds. Then you practice gratitude, thinking of 3 great things that you are grateful for. Could be little things and things that were in the past that made you grateful. You picture those things, and after about a minute, go through those things in your mind and make one thing stand out. And like a child's smile, for example, like a time somebody said thank you, even those worst days that somehow bring joy and memory to your mind because you overcame what was going on. That should take about 3 minutes. He talks about the 5th thing, which is visualization. Now it comes to this part where you want to bless yourself and bless people with prayers. And it can be a spiritual thing. Tony imagines colorful lights coming down, and you breathe them in, and it takes and brings in healing to you. It brings in healing to your thoughts, to your minds and feelings. And then it washes away the feelings of sadness, of the problems that you might have. This should take you about a minute. Then he talks about number 6, sharing. This is powerful. He says you should send the energy of healing to your friends, to your families, to everybody, pouring it out. As you received it and churned it in your heart, you pour it out to your loved ones and friends. And this should be about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And the seventh thing is to focus on celebration. He calls on you to now celebrate on the outcomes. Think of the future joy of being in the state of success. What would achievement look like? Place yourself in that position of achievement and celebrate the feeling. Bring it up and accomplish the victory. And visualize how it would impact you and the lives of others. How victorious it would be and feel. And as with gratitude, again, go through each one of them one by one and fully experience the feeling. That should take you about 3 minutes. Lastly, get ready to rock. This part is good. Take some time to stretch and reflect and be positive. And as you do, you are now positioned to excel in the state of optimal satisfaction. You should stay in this state for the rest of your day. Louis Testinsa here once more. If you have not completed Tony's Unleash the Power Within or attended one of his programs, I would advise you to do so. It dramatically changed my life. You know, like I said, each morning I woke up really tired because I was working so hard and working so many long days, doing 12-hour shifts, and maybe sometimes 3 to 4 of those days in a row. I would wake up in the morning drained and tired and really not wanting to go to work. And when I did Unleash the Power Within, goodness me, it really, really lightened me up. I wake up sometimes and I say, this day was made by the Lord. I rejoice and I'm glad in it. You know, and I jump out, I do my exercises, and as I go, I know that the day is going to be good. So I might drop a link here below if you want to check out Tony's Unleash the Power Within or his other programs that are helping quite a lot of people. Do check the link below here, and I wish you good luck and I wish you the best of luck, you know, as you check out Tony, and maybe you might profit from his programs like I did and like I continue to do. Stay blessed. I've been on my walk and I thought I should just do this video real quick. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, look at that. Material for, I can't even get my words out. Right, just this is morning already. We started Tony's program, UPW 2020 Europe. Material just arrived. I'm so excited to open it. See what's in there. Let's see. Boy, can't wait to break this. My workbook is here. I can't wait. Honestly, this is a miracle because I did not believe. I waited and waited. People were complaining on the internet that theirs had not arrived. I just said, look, if mine will come, it will come. It's just there. It's just powerful. Power of faith. I got to go back. I finished my questions, but I got to go back. See you in a moment.